What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon. And in this video, we'll be talking about EOS, which I did an analysis on I think 2 days ago for the last time. So I just wanted to update that, do a quick recap on my last analysis and update that analysis too, so that it becomes a little bit more of today. Volume of EOS is still amazing. It's even up since yesterday. It's at about 800 million, which is almost half of the market cap. That's absolutely amazing. It's not as high as we used to be. We were at 1.7 when we hit our top right here at $1.85. But still, I mean, we're still at the same levels, and compared to the last week, we're up. I'm not sure how much we're up. We can check that out real quick. Still up 28%. So everything is looking good. I am expecting a drop though, so that's the less good news. Last analysis, what I said is that I thought we would probably get up to that 1.85 cents level once more, because we had already touched 1.95. I think so, at least. The analysis is still up. I believe so, and I expected us to, after touching that level once more, I expected us to actually break down this level here at 1.7. And then hold at around 1.6, but we didn't even really react to 1.7. We reacted to that like 3 times, but only with minor touches over the last couple of days. Still, I mean, so I was off on that. I still think we're heading down to that 1.6. You can see that we're pretty bearish. You could make the argument that this is just a bearish flag, right? So that we would just bearish flag down to 1.6, and that we can then get up to $2. That could be the case. I mean, it's basically what you would then say is that we're doing something like this, all right? So flagpole, bearish flag, and then a continuation. That is possible, and I think this drawing is beautiful. That is possible, but I don't think that's likely, just because, just if you take a look at the broader market circumstances, there surely always is a possibility for more bullish moves, but my bias is still a little bit more bearish. So this doesn't really fit with the market circumstances, in my opinion. So I think we're dropping down to 1.6 in both scenarios. If from 1.6 we actually manage to break above 1.8 again, then my analysis is wrong, and we probably are going to do something like this, like that this is just a bearish flag and that will go up to $2. But I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to 1.6, consolidate on top of that level, but then eventually break down towards this 1.5 level, and then consolidate on top of 1.4, 1.5 for a longer period of time. That's just the most likely scenario, but you should know that, as I said earlier too, my bias towards the whole market in the short term at least is relatively bearish. All right, so if yours is bullish, you can also choose to just think that this is a bearish flag and that we're reaching $2 within the next week. As I said, I think that's realistic. I just don't see that as the most likely outcome for EOS in the next week. So that's basically my analysis on EOS. If you have any questions about the analysis or about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today, and bye.